Hello everybody, my name is Yuriy and I'm CTO and co-founder of company AcuPower. Want to describe to you my additional changes which I made in scope of our project performance database analysis of PostgreSQL versus MySQL versus MySQL. And what I want to mention, like if you want to investigate this repository, you can look more like how code is created. But I have read queries with custom table, I made it. Then write queries, again, the same record. Update queries, as you can see, this is not trivial update. Delete query, again, not absolutely trivial. Complex BQL query, inventory item in a rejoining item class, inside status, inside GL branch. Not trivial. PXProjection. I created PXProjection as well in order to understand how PXProjections perform in Acumatica. Here you can read about how testing works. I used Checksums in order to make sure that everything follows through. And who is the winner? And you can see here, or let me start from this picture. So here at this image, the lower the better, and you can see that on majority of the cases, Microsoft SQL is winner, except some cases, PostgreSQL. And when SQL Server from Microsoft performs best on sequential read, on sequential write, and on sequential update, and on sequential delete, and on parallel write, parallel update, parallel delete. Then on complex BQL joins, you see that PostgreSQL is a winner, not by, let's say, much, but still, like 15,000 records, 5 iterations. PostgreSQL performed faster than MySQL and MySQL. It is also winner on PXProjection analysis sequential, clear winner on parallel read, and it is a winner on complex BQL join. And MySQL is outsider, which is kind of interesting for me. It shows that Acumatica team spent pretty good time on creating good mapping, but of course it also says that Postgre as database itself performs quite well, because there's always connection between how you write SQL code, but SQL engine itself, it also matters. I encourage you to give this code a try, to run your own tests. And they have spider chat. This chat is, let's say, a bit different. Here, like inverse, higher the better. And here you can see that Microsoft SQL is quite often winner, except parallel read. Here we have definitely PostgreSQL as a winner. I hope this is useful and encourage everybody to give it a try. And if you believe that some other tests should be added, let me know. I will be happy to extend this testing performance further.